Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Morgan Stanley? This is ticker MS. Now, MS obviously in the banking sector, and XLF has been just under the 200-day moving average here, and so we haven't had a ton of positive performance from the financial sector lately. But I like the fact that Morgan Stanley is above that 200-day moving average, but also the 50-day, 21-day, and 8-day exponential. It gapped up here on earnings. It's been relatively holding the gap, finding support today at that 8-day exponential. And I see a bit of a downward sloping trend line from that earnings gap high. And so what I would look for a trade here on Morgan Stanley is a move through and a close above 193.20. Now, that is a bit high from where the stock is now, close to the 8-day. But I think that that's a pretty clear pivot on this stock where it's at least showing you it's attempting to break its current range by getting above and closing above 193.20. And so that's the important level that I see right now on Morgan Stanley. Certainly adding my alert here on my chart, and I think it warrants watching for you as well. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. I hope that was helpful. I'll see you next time.